Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects everyone: sleep. Have you ever woken up feeling groggy, even after a whole night's rest? Or perhaps you struggle to fall asleep at all? If so, you're not alone. Quality sleep is crucial for our overall health and well-being, yet many overlook its importance. In this video, we'll explore the secrets to waking up refreshed and improving your sleep quality. Sleep is not just a time for our bodies to rest, it's a vital process that allows our minds and bodies to rejuvenate. Quality sleep plays a significant role in everything from our mood and cognitive function to our immune system and physical health. When we skimp on sleep, we can experience various adverse effects, including increased stress, difficulty concentrating, and even a weakened immune response. That's why understanding how to enhance our sleep quality is essential for leading a healthy and productive life. In this engaging and informative video, we'll share practical tips and remedies to help you transform your sleep experience. You can expect to learn about the science behind sleep cycles, the impact of your sleep environment, and how lifestyle choices can either support or hinder your ability to get a good night's rest. We'll also discuss natural remedies and techniques to help you unwind and prepare for sleep, ensuring you feel revitalized. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets to better sleep and discover how to wake up refreshed, stick around. We have a wealth of information to share to help you reclaim your nights and enhance your days. Let's get started on this journey to better sleep together. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. 8-hour sleep secret they don't want you to know. Are you struggling to achieve that elusive total of 8 hours of restorative sleep? You're not alone, and today we're revealing some lesser-known secrets that can help you unlock the door to better sleep. Let's start by understanding the science behind sleep cycles. Our sleep is divided into several cycles, each lasting about 90 minutes and consisting of different stages, including light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. It's during the deep sleep stage our bodies repair and rejuvenate, making it crucial for feeling refreshed. Disruptions in these cycles can leave you groggy and unrested, even if you've spent enough time in bed. So, how can you ensure you're getting the most out of your sleep cycles? One practical approach is to focus on sleep hygiene. This involves creating an environment and routine that promotes deeper sleep. Start by establishing a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up simultaneously each day helps regulate your body's internal clock. Additionally, consider your sleep environment. A cool, dark, and quiet room can significantly enhance your ability to fall and stay asleep. Another technique to promote deeper sleep is to limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by phones and computers can interfere with melatonin production, making it harder to drift off. Instead, try winding down with a relaxing activity, such as reading or practicing mindfulness. We encourage you to implement these secrets into your nightly routine. You can transform your sleep quality by understanding the science behind sleep cycles and adopting effective sleep hygiene practices. Imagine waking up each morning feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. So, are you prepared to embrace these secrets for better sleep? Let's make those 8 hours count. Natural sleep remedy that works instantly. If you're tossing and turning at night, searching for a way to drift off quickly, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing some effective natural remedies that can help induce sleep almost instantly. These remedies are gentle and promote relaxation without the side effects often associated with medication. One of the most popular natural sleep aids is chamomile tea. This soothing herbal tea has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Chamomile contains antioxidants that bind to specific brain receptors, helping reduce anxiety and initiate sleep. Enjoying a warm chamomile tea about 30 minutes before bedtime can signal your body that it's time to wind down. Another fantastic remedy is lavender essential oil. Known for its calming properties, lavender can help reduce stress and anxiety, making it easier to fall asleep. You can use lavender oil in various ways. Try adding a few drops to your pillow, using a diffuser in your bedroom, or even applying it to your wrists. The soothing scent of lavender can create a peaceful atmosphere, allowing your mind and body to relax. Additionally, consider incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your evening routine. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a crucial role in sleep regulation. Foods like almonds, spinach, and bananas can help increase your magnesium levels, promoting a sense of calm and aiding in sleep. We encourage you to try these natural remedies before resorting to medication. They are simple, effective, and easily integrated into your nightly routine. By embracing these natural solutions, you can create a more restful environment and improve sleep quality. So why not give chamomile tea or lavender essential oil a shot tonight? You might find the perfect remedy for a peaceful night's sleep. Stop having showers just before bed. Are you in the habit of taking a shower right before bed? While it may feel relaxing, this routine impacts your sleep quality more than you realize. Let's explore how body temperature plays a crucial role in sleep onset and quality. When you shower, your body temperature rises. This increase in temperature can initially feel soothing, but it can also interfere with your body's natural cooling process, which is essential for falling asleep. Your body naturally cools down as you prepare for sleep, signaling it's time to rest. If you shower too close to bedtime, your body may struggle to reach that optimal, more relaxed state, making it harder for you to drift off. So what's the best approach? Ideally, aim to shower at least 1 to 2 hours before you plan to go to bed. This allows your body enough time to cool down and prepare for sleep. If you prefer to shower in the evening, consider taking a warm rather than a hot shower. A warm shower can still provide relaxation without raising your core body temperature too much. In addition to adjusting your shower time, adopting a bedtime routine that promotes relaxation is essential. Incorporate calming activities such as reading, gentle stretching, or practicing mindfulness after your shower. These activities can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down, further enhancing your ability to fall asleep. We encourage you to rethink your showering habits and consider how they affect your sleep. By adjusting your shower schedule and creating a soothing bedtime routine, you can improve your sleep quality and wake up feeling refreshed. So, let's make those small changes for a better night's sleep. Are you sleeping well? Sleep issues at night? Have you ever woken up feeling more tired than when you went to bed? If you're experiencing sleep issues at night, you're not alone. Many people struggle with getting quality rest, and it's essential to identify whether you're genuinely sleeping well. Let's explore some common signs of poor sleep quality and how you can assess your sleep patterns and habits. One of the most noticeable signs of inadequate sleep is frequent awakenings throughout the night. If you find yourself tossing and turning or waking up multiple times, it can disrupt your sleep cycle and leave you feeling groggy in the morning. Other indicators of poor sleep quality include difficulty falling asleep, waking up too early, and feeling unrested even after a whole night's sleep. Consider keeping a sleep diary for a week to understand your sleep patterns better. Record when you go to bed, wake up during the night. Note how you feel in the morning and throughout the day. This can help you identify patterns and pinpoint specific issues affecting your sleep. Additionally, assess your sleep environment and habits. Are you using electronic devices right before bed? Is your bedroom dark, quiet, and calm? These factors can significantly impact your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. If you recognize any of these signs or patterns in your sleep, it's time to seek solutions tailored to your specific sleep issues. Whether it's adjusting your bedtime routine, improving your sleep environment, or exploring relaxation techniques, there are numerous strategies to enhance your sleep quality. Remember, good sleep is vital for your overall health and well-being. So, take the first step today to evaluate your sleep and make the necessary changes for a more restful night. We've highlighted the critical role that restorative sleep plays in our overall health, from enhancing mood and cognitive function to boosting our immune system. Understanding the science behind sleep cycles and the impact of body temperature can empower you to make better choices for your nightly routine. We also explored effective natural remedies, such as chamomile tea and lavender essential oil, which can help induce sleep quickly and promote relaxation. These gentle solutions offer an excellent alternative to medication, allowing you to embrace a more holistic approach to your sleep challenges. Additionally, we discussed the importance of establishing a calming bedtime routine and adjusting your showering habits to enhance your sleep quality. By implementing these strategies and remedies, you can significantly improve your sleep experience and enjoy the many benefits that come with it. Remember, good sleep is not just a luxury, it's necessary for a healthy and productive life. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to engage with us. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on sleep and wellness. Remember to like this video and share it with friends or family who might also be struggling with sleep issues. Your support helps us create more valuable content to benefit everyone looking to improve their sleep quality. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you feel inspired to take action toward better sleep. Sweet dreams, and we'll see you in the following video.